Do you ever wonder how your computer knows exactly where to send and receive data when you're surfing the web, sending an email, or streaming your favorite show? The answer lies in something called a network port. Picture a bustling city with countless buildings. Each building represents a different application or service on your computer, and each building has a unique postal code, which is the equivalent of a network port number. The postal codes range from 0 to 65,535, with each one associated with a specific protocol or service. When you connect to a website, for instance, your computer sends a virtual postman or a request to the server hosting the website. This request includes the server's IP address, akin to the city in our analogy, and the port number, which is like the postal code of the building you want to visit. The server then sends back a response to your computer through the same port. Network ports ensure different applications on your computer don't interfere with each other. Imagine you're using a web browser to view a website and also an email client to check your inbox. The browser will use port 80, similar to a specific postal code, to connect to the web server, while the email client uses a different port to connect to the email server. This way, both applications can run smoothly without any conflicts. Now, there are some popular destinations or well-known ports that are reserved for specific services. These ports are akin to famous landmarks in a city, and their numbers typically fall below 1024. The rest are dynamic ports, more like residential or commercial buildings assigned by the operating system when an application needs to connect to a service. These typically have numbers above 1024. Port forwarding is a way to guide incoming traffic on a specific port to a specific computer or device on a network, much like a traffic cop directing traffic in a city. This technique is often used to make a server located behind a firewall accessible to users on the internet. On the other hand, port scanning is a method used to identify open ports on a computer or network. It's like a burglar checking for unlocked doors in a building. Cyber attackers often use this to identify potential vulnerabilities in a system. In conclusion, network ports are virtual postal codes assigned to different applications or services on your computer. They ensure smooth communication between your computer and servers, prevent conflicts between applications, and play a crucial role in cybersecurity. So, the next time you're browsing the internet, remember the network ports working tirelessly behind the scenes to give you a seamless online experience.